Hello, and in today's video we're looking at this, which is the Anker Zolo power bank. Now it's a 30-watt charge, so it's pretty fast at charging, and it has 10,000 milliamps, so it's enough for two chargers, or to charge your phone twice, I should say. I believe you can charge 2 or 3 devices at one time, but we'll take a closer look as we unbox it. So let's get this unboxed. Okay, this thing is obviously compatible for many different phones. So you've got the iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, the 15 series, the Galaxies, the iPads, and more. So pretty much any phone. I think it's USB-C. Well, yes, it is USB-C, so it'll charge anything with USB-C connection. So it's a bit fiddly to get the thing out. Second. So you got your safety sheet, should you need that. Look at those. Charging cable. That's empty. So straight off the bat, as it's an Anker product, you already know it's going to be quality made, which is apparent right here. It feels very sturdy, strong, and not too heavy. On the top here, we have the, looks like the charger cable. There we go. So it has a built-in USB-C cable straight into the power bank, so obviously you just plug that into your device, whether it's your phone, tablet, or whatever. Just to the side there, we have the sort of charge in port with said USB-C cable, and on the side here we have the power button, and it also has a display. So it's currently telling me, I'm assuming that's 23% charged, so we need to charge this up ready for tomorrow. So because of the 30-watt fast charging cable, this can charge an iPhone 15 from 0 to 57% in just 30 minutes. It can charge an iPhone up for 2 full charges and a Samsung S24 for 1.94 charges. Pretty much just say two charges, and like I say, it's got 10,000 milliamps in there, so there's enough to get you through most of the day. Okay, so it's got 30 watts bi-directional charging. It's 30 watts output but 20 watts input, so you can still get this charged up pretty quickly. So there's no weight at all to it. Like I say, it's just 212 grams, so it is pretty light, to be fair. It's easy to carry around in your pocket or jacket or something like that. And the size of it is 10.9 by 6.5 by 2.5 thick, so it is pretty small. Like I say, it's ideal to just stick right into your pocket to carry around all day should you need to, or just shove it in your backpack. But I do find it really handy to actually have the built-in charging cable. Just how often do you... Well, I don't know about you, but for me, you might take a charging power bank out and you forget to take the cable. So the fact that that's built in, you'll never ever forget the charging cable. It comes with real-time protection. It's got Active Shield 2.0 built in, which monitors the temperature 300,000 times a day. So do you want to know what the best thing about this little bad boy is? That if you give this video a thumbs up, this will then spread to more people, so more people will find out about this little bargain. And speaking of bargain, price at the moment on Amazon at the time of filming is $13.99. So if you're looking for a budget but cost-effective power bank, then this is probably the one to go for. Like I say, for 10,000 amps, charge your phone twice for 14 quid. Definitely worth looking at. I will of course link that below in the description. So to recap, it's 10,000 amps, you can charge your phone twice, built-in charging cable, it's light, and it's just $13.99. Would I buy this again? Most definitely. I reckon you should too. Make sure you check out the link below, give your thumbs up, subscribe for more, see you on the next video. Bye for now.